my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. It's our Fenwick life for now. We have figured out our name change. We have selected the one we're going with. We've been delayed a little bit in getting that announcement out to everybody. I apologize for that. We have a little bit of a family situation going on right now with my husband's mother, and so that's where our time and energy has been focused. So we thank you so much for your patience, but it is coming and we are very excited and we cannot wait to share with you. All right, so today we have a Stitch Fix. I meant to get this canceled and we've been so busy, I really did not get a chance. So this is my February Stitch Fix. I should not have another one until March. I am in the middle of losing some weight, new dietary changes and all of that stuff. So my body is rapidly changing. So I'm kind of wanting to hold off on subscription services. That, and I have a lot of winter clothes already. I don't really need any more. So I'm waiting for them to sort of start on with spring and maybe closer to summer boxes, because I will start to need shorts. So as things move along. So, all right. So here's my box. I'm very excited. I am a terrible subscription holder. I did not give my stylist, which is usually Madison, any direction. I didn't update my Pinterest board. I haven't done any of the things that I tell all of you to do. I simply have been more focused on my family. So we'll see what comes in this box. Here's your return envelope. Stitch Fix has a $20 styling fee. Sorry, I was thinking $25, $20. I think it's a $20 styling fee. I have the Style Pass, which they will ask you if you would like to get the Style Pass. I don't think it's something you can ask for. I'm not 100%, but they emailed me last year offering it to me and I said, sure. I know lots of people have the Style Pass, which means you can get unlimited boxes with no styling fee. That's it. So there we go. Here is my invoice and my style card. Shows you pictures of everything in your box and how you might style them if you'd like. And here is my bundle. Ooh, looks to be some really soft things in there. This top is from Stitch Fix from last fall, winter, sometime. All right, it is Madison. She is still there. She's expecting, so I'm expecting any day now to have like a little replacement. But Madison, you're awesome. Thank you for your patience with me not updating anything for you. Oh my goodness. Hello, Favor. I hope your January is off to a wonderful start and this fix brings a smile to your face. Thanks for updating. Oh, I did update my Pinterest board. I don't think I remember that, but I guess I did. Maybe sitting there at the hospital board, I might have, you know, I can't always answer comments and things like that, but I can kind of jump in here and there. So thanks for updating your Pinterest board for some new inspiration for the new year. Those black booties you have pinned are adorable. I did not have anything similar today, but we'll be on the hunt for them for you in an upcoming fix. I did come across this hoodie Henley pullover that you had pinned, so thought you could give it a whirl. The Absolutely cardigan has a similar texture to two of the pullovers you had pinned. What do you think? You can layer this piece over the Space Dye knit tee or Alexander Jordan chambray top. This chambray top is a nice change from the classic button-down chambray you have in your closet. What are the upcoming travel plans for the Fenwicks? XO Madison. So many, Madison. So many. We have four cruises coming up. We're going to Alaska. That's the big one. So sort of collecting clothing for that one. So, all right, here we go. Let's look in here. I'm excited. All right. So let's look at this. Oh my goodness, this is what I call snuggleware. Oh, this is, I love this. Look at the stripes inside. Oh, I love it. I have lots of hoodies, but you know what? I love them. This is amazing. Oh, don't be expensive. I really love you. I love the pockets here in the front. It's warm today, but it's freezing in the hospital. So, and this hoodie is lying flat. I really appreciate that. Okay, this is by Market and Spruce. This is the Zoe Hooded Henley Knit in gray. It's a medium for $64. And butter. It is like butter. Seriously. Alrighty. I really like that. Again, amazingly, oh, look how pretty this is. Oh, pretty. It's like a sweater material, and then the rayon type front. Oh, that's really cute. My only problem is when they have this little thing here. I'm not sure. I don't know. It often just doesn't sit real pretty on me, but we will see. It's a gorgeous color, my favorite color right now. Beautiful material, and that is the Zamoya, the Kylie Zamoya mixed material top burgundy medium, $42. This is such a cute, I like this kind of t-shirt. It's a t-shirt, but it's not a t-shirt, if that makes sense. A little dressier than your, you know, white tee, which doesn't look great on me. Nice little V-neck. This is Kylie Casey knit top black medium, $28. There you go. Yeah, this will probably be staying with me. There we go. And then this is a chambray top in a short sleeve. Oh, it's a pullover. I received something similar to this in another box. I think I'm just not a fan of the chambray trend. I think that may be my thing. I was a child of the 80s or 90s or whatever, and we had this back in that time, if I recall, and I don't think I was a fan then, but I appreciate her sending it to me. I do have a chambray top in my closet, and I've yet to wear it. I've worn it like once or twice, but not too much. This is Alexander Jordan in a medium. Bernie, one pocket blue medium, and $42. So there we go. Yeah, it's cute. I'm just not sure if it's me. That's okay. And then this beautiful thing. This is just, oh, the Snuggle Bus. That's what this is. I really think this is beautiful. It's a nice weight cardigan. It's kind of an open weave on it. So for like here in Texas, going in and out when it's really cold inside and only cool or warmer outside, this is probably gonna be, it would be a great cardigan for that. Yeah, I really like it. All right, so let's get the price on this one. That is the Absolutely Ashland cardigan, gray, medium, $44. Excellent. Okay, so, and really the price of this box isn't bad either. So the Stylist Pick subtotal is $220. The buy all 5 discount of $55. My total is $165. Oh, one of you clicked on my link. Thank you. I didn't know that. That's amazing. So I have a $25 credit. So yeah, if you use my link or anybody you love, their link, it gets you $25 towards your box. And then they get, or I get $25. That's amazing. Thank you. I really, really appreciate that. I'm going to give you, if I can find your name, here's the deal. So they asked me to join their affiliate program, I guess, because of the, I don't know why. I'm not going to guess or speculate. And I did. And honestly, I kind of regret it. I really would rather just be a regular subscriber. So, because anyway, I don't have a blog, and a lot of what I'm reading in there is for blogs, and so it's a little, especially when I don't really have the time to dedicate to really reading everything, it's confusing to me. So I think what I'm going to do is email them and just say, hey, can I just go back to being a subscriber? I don't really need to be in your affiliate program, but I am now. If that means anything to you, I honestly don't know. So, but in an interest of being transparent, because that's incredibly important to me, I wanted to let you know. So I will have to see where I can find out who clicked on my link so I can thank you like I always do. I sincerely, truly appreciate it. So anyway, okay, I digress. There you go. That's what I wanted to tell you. So you've seen me try everything on. Now I'm going to go see me try everything on, and we'll be right back. Okay, well, obviously I've told you before, if I'm wearing it, I'm keeping it. So I really like this. I love this cardigan, this sweater. I love the feel. It's not like really soft. It just has a nice texture to it, a nice feel to it. It feels warm, but not overly warm. And the open weave is really nice for here in Texas. But it's not so open that, you know, it's not useful. So, and I love this t-shirt. Okay, so the Absolutely Ashland cardigan for $44. keeping, and the Casey knit top black medium, $28. Both of these are in a medium, and I'm keeping both of them. I really, really, really like them. Okay, this is the hoodie. I really like this. So I may be keeping this. We're gonna have to see. I'm gonna kind of do some Stitch Fix math, but I really like this. The hood, honestly, the hood's a little heavy, so it kind of pulled a little bit on my neck. So I'm gonna have to kind of play around with that. Maybe if I like unbutton one, I don't know. But it's so soft and so comfortable. It is a little more fitted than I'm comfortable with. Like, I wouldn't really want to wear anything more than a tank top underneath it, but that's typically what I wear under a hoodie anyway. And I find with these, as you wear them, they kind of stretch a little bit, so that really didn't faze me. And honestly, I'm kind of rapidly losing weight, so it'll be fine. And this is lightweight enough that it'll carry me kind of through spring. It's enough weight for Texas. It's like perfect. It's perfect. So I will likely keep this. So there we go. This, I almost love it. Almost. This is the Kylie Kimoa mixed material top, burgundy medium, $42. I almost love it. Almost. You know what I don't like about it? Is the little tuck here in the front. That's it. That's the only thing I don't care for. And it's one of those things that it would cause me to pass the shirt over and over in my closet because it has that. I don't know what my hang up is on that. I just don't care for it. It just isn't something that I like the look of. So there you go. But everything else about this, I love. It's such a pretty top. It's super, super soft, easy to throw on and go. If it didn't have that little thingy in the middle, I would be keeping it for sure. I'm at a fairly decent price point at $42. So there you go. And the chambray top, as I suspected, not my favorite. It's just not really something I love. I'm just not a fan. So there you go. That's it. All right. So let me do the math real quick, and I'll let you know how much everything will be. 1 second. I'll be right there. Just for the sweater and the top, with my $25 credit from you, brings the total to $47 for both pieces. So roughly 20-something dollars, 23-something dollars for each. $23.50. It's fantastic. I mean, that's terrific. I think that's great. I really appreciate that. Now, if I add in the hoodie, which is $64, which is really kind of expensive. I think most of them are, though. Brings my total to $111, and if I keep everything in the box, the total is $140. So that's where Stitch Fix is quite tricky. So, like I said, I really do love the hoodie, but it does pull because of the weight of the hood, and that will drive me insane. I actually have one similar. It's striped that I love by Z Supply. I absolutely love it. But it does the same. It kind of pulls because of the hoodie, and it ends up frustrating me throughout the day. So I don't gravitate towards it. So, and I have another hoodie that's gray like this, similar, that's striped on the outside, that I picked up from Stitch Fix. So Madison knows I love hoodies. I really do, especially when they're soft. They're just so comfortable. And especially lately, being in the hospital so much, they're great to have because it's so cold in there and you want to be comfortable. So, and sometimes like jackets and sweaters and things like that get in the way because you're caring for somebody. So you want something that's not drapey and all, you know what I mean? So they're very easy to wear right now. But I will likely send this one back because, like I said, of the pulling. But other than that, everything about it, I absolutely love. She hit my style and my favorite head on. She was spot on with me. So anyway, all right. Well, there you go. I will leave Stitch Fix linked below. I will leave both just to straight Stitch Fix. I'm sure they have promotionals going on where you can get some credit to start your service, or I'll leave my link below if you want to click my link. If you do, you get $25 and I get $25, as well as several other channels out there that you have to choose from if you'd like to click on their link, or maybe you have a friend who uses Stitch Fix and you'd like to use their link. Either way, anyway, I encourage you. Sorry about that cut there. Something caught in my throat and that was it. Had to cough. Didn't think you wanted to experience that. So, as I was saying, and then my camera died. My goodness. So as I was saying, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time. Bye.